This is a Fortnite skit by Alex Rolliter and Chase Kotowitz. Be careful, viewer discretion advised.
The topic we'll be discussing today is about how killing whales and dolphins for research purposes affects human health and the environment.
The environment is a very precious balance, and whales have been in it and swimming around it for over 50 million years according to fossil carbon dating. So it would be such a shame if we were to kill them now and have them go extinct. That would be no fun. Now, whales aren't the only special ones around here. Dolphins have also been around for close to 50 million years, swimming around in this environment that these horrible people are just trashing. It's such a shame to lose a beautiful house like this, and now it's just all gone. Whales and dolphins are being hunted everywhere, but it's really bad in places like Taiji, Japan, Russia, and even Norway are doing dolphin hunts and whale hunts that are upsetting the environment. And when the environment is upset, it ruins such nice places like Loot Lake over here that's now just decimated. Wait a minute. I think I know what's happening here. No, don't do it. You're better than this. No! It's so terrible to see people like this Japanese monkey king mercilessly slaughter innocent whales in the name of research and go take all of their bits and pieces.
This green sea monster represents all of the whales and dolphins that are being murdered in various places around the globe, just like how this one gets cut down into bits and pieces. Based on the Dolphin Project, Japanese drive hunts kill nearly 20,000 dolphins, porpoises, and small whales every year. Commercial whaling was outlawed in 1986 by the International Whaling Commission, but dolphin hunts remain legal. The dolphin hunters make approximately $32,000 for each live dolphin they capture.
It's so depressing seeing all these whales and dolphins gone, never again to swim in the big blue ocean. But that's how it is currently, and that's why we need to change things so we don't continue killing these poor animals.
According to whalefacts.org, a blue whale, for example, can consume as much as
40,000
per day. So you can imagine the impact that this would have on stabilizing the aquatic ecosystem if the blue whale species were to become extinct. If blue whales become extinct, it would upset the balance of krill populations, and the krill would overpopulate and disrupt the ecosystem.
We need to help these whales as soon as possible and begin cloning them because their population is declining incredibly fast, and it's so bad for the environment. This graph shows the overall decline in the dolphins' population. It has dropped by 80%, which is staggering, and if we don't do something, it'll continue to drop.
The Japanese fisheries have released that they will start hunting whales. The reason behind the hunt is meant to supposedly be for research. The fisheries hope to capture at least 51 minke whales in the next 2 months to discover and better understand whale behavior. While these incidents by the one country of Japan don't have necessarily large influence on the dolphin and whale populations as a whole, when they are combined with other factors, there can be extreme consequences. Climate change is also severely changing our own habitat and causing us to adapt. However, climate change is also changing the environment of the whales and dolphins. Climate change is bringing about changes in the water temperature through the melting of ice caps and glaciers. This melting is increasing the temperature of the water globally. This temperature rise, while it may be small, is not insignificant. This changes significantly decreases the habitat of both dolphins and whales.
But it's not over for our whale friends. We can build sanctuaries and keep them safe in coves and keep them protected from the whalers who are trying to kill them. Aw, look at that cute whale. It's so nice watching him play. Now it's fun and all to watch the whales and dolphins play nicely in the protected sanctuaries, but what we should really do to keep them all safe is start cloning them so we can get more and more of them. That way, even if a few are killed off by those terrible whalers, we can still keep most of them alive by cloning them and saving their species as a whole. In addition to cloning the whales, we can also place strict regulations on the ocean and in the sanctuaries so we can make sure that nobody gets in and takes out whales. We can keep them all in there and have them stay safe.
At first, it may appear that other species are benefiting from no longer having to face a predator such as whales, but over time these animals will overpopulate and possibly destroy the population of other species that it feeds on. So whales play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by making sure other species do not overpopulate and destroy the species below them in the food chain. Even whale poop plays a large role in the environment by helping to offset carbon in the atmosphere. Studies have shown that the nutrients in sperm whale poop helps stimulate the growth of phytoplankton, which pull carbon from the atmosphere to provide a cleaner and healthier breathing environment for all animals. Estimates state that as much as 400,000 tons of carbon are extracted for the air due to these whales each year. In addition to feeding carbon, fighting phytoplankton, the fact that whale poop stimulates the growth of phytoplankton means that it also helps feed other species that feed on phytoplankton for their survival. Phytoplankton helps feed the fish, allowing them to thrive and reproduce, and the fish feed many other species that require fish to survive, thus keeping the chain stable. All in all, whale poop plays a major role in maintaining the cycle of aquatic life and is just one of many different things that make whales so important.
Whale feces is incredibly important in the ecosystem, but it's not nearly as beautiful and nice as these dolphins swimming in the water. It's so graceful and magical to watch, and it heals my soul. Cloning is one of the solutions that we could use to balance out the whales that are killed from whale hunts and dolphin hunts. Cloning is an experimental procedure that has not yet been tried on whales and dolphins, so this could possibly work to save their whole species. Sometimes the whales go on strike too, and they'll kill a person every once in a while, but dang, look at this dub that he cops. Ooh, wait for it. What a shot. Dang. You know, I just want everyone here to know that we do all of this for the whales and the dolphins and all the sea creatures. This is for you guys. This is why we do it. It makes my day just to see the look on those whales' faces.